7th standard students, we will begin our grammar and writing skill. Lesson number 13, preposition. Now what is preposition? Let us see. A preposition is a word usually placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with other word or words in the remaining part of the sentence. Now what does the preposition show? Preposition shows the relation. Okay, relation between what? With one word to, or between the two words, or one word with the remaining part of the sentence. It does what? It shows the relation. Okay, and it is usually placed before what? Before a noun or a pronoun. और वो किसके पहले यूज होता है? नाउन या प्रोनाउन के पहले प्रीपोजिशन यूज होता है. What is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing and idea. Whereas what is a pronoun? Pronoun is a play word used instead of a noun like he, she, him, right? तो इनके पहले क्या हम यूज़ करते हैं? प्रीपोजिशन यूज़ करते हैं. और प्रीपोजिशन क्या बताता है? इट शोज द रिलेशन. रिलेशन इन फॉर्म ऑफ व्हाट? अ प्रीपोजिशन इंडिकेट्स टाइम, प्लेस और पोजिशन, movement or direction, agent or instrument, etc. It shows what? Time, place or position, movement or direction, agent or instrument, etc. In the word itself, the word preposition, pre plus what? Position. Preposition word में ही word है क्या है? Position. Okay. In short, we can say the word preposition shows what? Position of a word in a given sentence. Understood? Here the few examples are given. The first one is the school closes at 1 p.m. When does the school close? At 1 p.m. So the word at is showing what? Time. So at is what? A preposition. My mother stays at home. Here the word at is used, right? ऊपर भी at था, नीचे भी at था, but in the first sentence it is showing what? Time. Whereas in the second sentence it is showing what? Place. My mother stays. So where does she stays? At home. Okay. Aim at the target. Aim लगाओ कहाँ पे? टारगेट पे. तो ये क्या हुआ? क्या शो कर रहा है? डायरेक्शन. यानी एक ही वर्ड अलग अलग रिलेशन बता सकता है. जैसे यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल किसका दिया हुआ है? एट. इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इट इज शोइंग व्हाट? टाइम. प्लेस. इन द सेकेंड इट इज शोइंग प्लेस एंड इन थर्ड इट इज शोइंग व्हाट? डायरेक्शन. द सेम वर्ड मे बी यूज टू इंडिकेट डिफरेंट मीनिंग. अंडरस्टूड? एक ही वर्ड अलग अलग प्रीपोजिशन बता सकता है. Few rules regarding certain preposition. The first one is time. Time के लिए हम मोस्टली कौन सी preposition यूज़ करते हैं? कौन से word as a preposition यूज़ करते हैं? They are at, on, in and till. I will meet my friend at lunchtime. We shall celebrate my birthday on 26th January. They meet in August in 2016. I waited till my friend returned. Note, at, on, in is not used before the word last, next, this. Example, I will meet my friend next year. So what do we learn from this? That the words like at, on, in and till are used to show what? Relation of time. Okay, time बताने के लिए कौन सा preposition हम use करते हैं? At, on, in और till. But there is one exception के last, next और these के पहले कभी भी हम ये वाले words नहीं यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल भी दिया है. आई विल मीट माई फ्रेंड एट लंच टाइम. कब मिलेंगे हम? लंच टाइम में. एट लंच टाइम. ओके. वी शैल सेलिब्रेट माई बर्थडे ऑन 26 जनवरी. व्हेन? ऑन 26 जनवरी. दे मेट इन अगस्त इन 2016. कब मिले वो? In August in 2016. So here all these words are showing what? They are showing the time. Okay. Now next one is place or position. So which words are used to show the place or position? They are on, in, at, to, into. Okay. The example, first example is the book is on the table. The word on is showing what? The position of a book. Where? On the table. So it is showing what? Place or the position. Where is the book? What is the place of the book? It is, or where is the position of the book? It is on the table. The pen is in the purse. Where is the pen? It is in the purse. Okay, so what is the position of the pen? It is inside the purse, in the purse. So the word in is what? It is showing which kind of preposition? It is showing what? Place or position. Now turn the page. I stay at Bandra in Mumbai, in Maharashtra, in India. Here the word at, in is what? A preposition. Why they are place or position? Because they are showing the place, right? Bandra, it is the name of a place. Mumbai, place. Maharashtra, place. India is a place. But here we can see that in and at are used as which kind of place, or they are showing what? Place or position. Whereas we have seen in the previous example, like they show time also, right? Next one is mother goes to the market every weekend. Here which word is preposition? To. The boys rushed into the classroom. Which word is preposition? Into. Now third one is movement or direction. The words which show movements or direction are upon, toward, over, across, etc. The tiger sprang upon the deer. Okay, upon the deer, it is the tiger. The movement of the tiger is shown, and where does the tiger sprang? On the deer. टाइगर ने छलांग मारी. इट इज़ अ मूवमेंट, राइट? पर किस पर मारी? डियर पे. तो वो दोनों के, टाइगर के और किसके बीच का रिलेशन शो कर रहा है? डियर के बीच का. We walked towards the station. We walked towards where? Towards the station. It is also showing what? Movement or direction. The train passed over the bridge. Over is what? Preposition. The herd of cattle ran across the field. Across is what? The preposition. Now some common preposition in the above mentioned categories. यहाँ पे 4 columns दिए हुए हैं. First one is of time, second one is place or position, third one is direction or movement, and last one is agent or instrument. तो इनमें कौन कौन से preposition words आ सकते हैं? टाइम के लिए हम कौन से यूज़ कर सकते हैं? फॉर, सिंस, ड्यूरिंग, अबाउट, आफ्टर, बिफोर एंड फ्रॉम. फॉर प्लेस एंड पोजीशन, आफ्टर, बिफोर, बिलो, बिटवीन, अमंग, अराउंड एंड बाय. फॉर डायरेक्शन एंड मूवमेंट, आफ्टर, अलॉन्ग, बिहाइंड, इन फ्रंट ऑफ, फार, नियर, बिफोर. एंड फॉर एजेंट एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंट, by and with. Okay, so you can just by heart this table also if you wish to. And if you have any problem with the preposition, then contact me. Till then, take care. Bye bye.